Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys double dildo in 33 centimeters. So let's get started. So this is the double dildo. It has a total length of 33 centimeters. If you're looking for a toy that you can enjoy together with your partner, then this double-ended dildo will satisfy all your needs. Both ends can be used both anally and vaginally, which makes it suitable for all couples. The realistic design with the rounded heads on either side with a veiny textured shaft as well makes it even more fantastic stimulation as well. When using this double dildo, we would always recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. This dildo has a firm yet flexible shaft and has a soft material as well, so insertion and removal is comfortable, and wearing the dildo is also comfortable too. And that's the EasyToys double dildo in 33 centimeters. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.